Hey guys, it's a beautiful day here in South Florida, Miami, and I am going to be installing these new side mirrors on my F350. It's a 2008 F350 single rear wheel, and we're gonna check this out. So in the video, we're gonna talk about the quality and what these things look like. Okay, they've got a customer support number. Beautiful. Ooh, man, check them out. You know, when they're on the truck, they don't look that big, but when they're off the truck, they look huge. Look at this. They come with a nice smoke side mirror. The original ones are yellow amber, but once they light up, it should be amber. They look really solid. Got a nice mounting plate. The installation of this is relatively simple. Inside the cab, there are these little rubber grommets that you're gonna remove to expose these bolts. You simply remove them, stick this in, plug your harness in, and you're good to go. So as far as installation goes, it's really easy, but let's take a look. They have a nice seal. That's your seal here. And these things are really heavy. You've got a nice forged metal piece here. Looks good. So once this connects to the car, that's gonna allow you to adjust your mirrors. Now, the one difference between the ones that came on the truck and these is that these are manually extended. The original ones, there's a little button that you press, and there's a motor inside that pulls it in and pushes it out. But this one, you have to push it out and push it back in. So when you're gonna tow a trailer, you just get out, push it out, you're good to go. When you're coming back, push it back in, and that's it. They seem really nice and solid. They are heated, so in the winter or when it rains, you can turn it on and they'll heat and they kind of melt the ice off of them. They look really good. Let's take a look at the other one. These do fold as well, so when you need to, you take it and you push it in and that's gonna fold. But you gotta do it while it's on the car, or on the truck rather. Okay, well, they look very well constructed. All we have to do now is get them on the truck. Okay guys, so for the installation, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to pull this off. It just has these little retaining clips just like this, and it just pulls right out. Just be careful. If you peel this back just a little bit, you'll expose the first bolt, and then if you go a little bit more, you'll expose the second bolt right down there. Okay, So you unscrew these two, and then you're gonna pop these little things off, and the other bolt is here, and the other one is right there. All you have to do is unbolt those. The wiring harness will be inside. Disconnect the old one, connect the new one, and you're good to go. And when you put it back together, just make sure it's nice and tight, okay? And then just put this right back where it was. Just like this. And then you're gonna take your cover and then just snap it back in place. Cover goes back in. Make sure you line it up with the holes. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install these. So make sure that your window is open so that you can hold the mirror while you're using your deep socket wrench to take these out, all right? Enjoy.